Sanbonani, viewers for Tabula TV. I just took some footage. Unfortunately, I cannot show you, but in proper footage in terms of ezinye izinto. I think ukuthi it will be revealed in the next coming clip ukuthi benguphi. Yeah, as you can tell, angikho mnandi kakhulu. I just came out of an experience. Always when this happens, I have to recover kancane. Ngislimazile nokuzilimaza. Yeah, this is just a small clip nje from me. Uprof usasebhizi nabantu ngaphakathi. He'll be out soon. Ngiyabonga.
Makhosi amakhulu. Yebo inhlonhle esinamandla ngihamba nale ndoda le. Makhosi. Makhosi. Hayi makhosi ufuna ukuthi kuvela kancane makhosi nizwakale ukuthi makhosi nina nisizwa ngani la ekhaya ngoba kunabantu abanifunayo. Makhosi amakhulu. Yebo makhosi kunomama nana makhosi amakhulu ufuna amadoda ufuna ukuhamba nana yosebenza. Makhosi ngina le ndoda uKB makhosi ngiyicelela umsebenzi wayo uphakame kakhulu nimvikele kulabathakathi. Makhosi amakhulu nimlwele kulabantu abamenzela izinto ezimbi makhosi bese uyaphumelela. Makhosi njalo makhosi amakhulu sizonitholela ukudla kwenu makhosi amakhulu. Yeah, sonthengela ukudla kwenu makhosi bese nejabula nale ndoda ezele imali ifuna ukuphumelela makhosi amakhulu bese kuba kuhle. Akabuye shaya isandla makhosi.
Prof, angazi ukuthi ngicela ukuphila into le. Mhlawumbe wena you can tell your viewers on your channel ukuthi what just happened ngiphuma kuphi, what just happened and why was I there?
Yeah, sanibonani babukeli nabathandi bayidabula. Hayi phela. Besingena sithatha amandla ngoba le ndoda niyibona iyenza umsebenzi omkhulu manje angicelile amadoda ukuthi no mafika bafuna ukumbona bazokwazi ukumkhulisa bamvikele phezulu imimoya emlandelayo. Sisho kona ukuthi amadoda akhona ayasebenza. Hayi ngingazi ukuthi mawungezwanga sewokwakho indlu yabo le. Nawe mawufuna amandla ufuna protection akhona ukuthi angakusiza. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga Prof, mina ngitraineke kancane so I'm not going to talk much. Siyabonga Prof. Guys, we'll see you on the next segment yetabula. Angazi ukuthi Prof ufuna ukuthini before we leave.
Hayi ngithi bafuthi ningakhohlwa ukulandela nokuliseka iTsogo TV ngaso sonke isikhathi. Niphinde futhi ni subscribe nakuDabula nisho nikhuluma ukuthi nifunani sizokwazi ukunenzela. Ayikho into engenzeki la ekhaya senza yonke imhlolo. Bra KB, don't be traumatized. Bahamba nawe bokuvikela. Siyabonga.
Siyabonga Prof. Phela wena igwala. Angigwala.